Oh my gosh, look at that snow.
Are you gonna take a picture of it?
Look at Clark's car. It's mostly covered with snow.
And then we can try to take it out with barely room.
Maybe.
And then we can try to take it out, and then we can rebuild the top, and then we have our own snow fort.
Yep. Thank you.
Place to hide in all the forts. And most of all,
Here, Clark, let me see your.
Oh, look at your tiny house.
It's got snow inside.
It's got snow inside. Yeah,
Here,
it's
Clark,
snow
let me see
inside.
your bucket. Look, this hideout here has enough tall snow where you can make like a secret hiding spot for something.
that's what I said. It's the best place to hide in all of the forts. Look! Dad, look! Dad, look!
I guess we can make it. Nope.
No, it's not quite. It's a little too cold. Some of the snow is packing, so it is too cold. It needs an extra snow to pack really well.
Okay. Here we go. You having fun?
Huh? This is
What about Clark? Clarky, are you having fun?
a lot of snowy.
You can take it all the way through.
Yeah,
Wow, neato.
it's like a mail slot. That's what I was trying to say. Another one. There are many ways out
Careful. You're wrecking the whole top.
there. Ta-da!
No, don't.
It may be hard to get the swings out, but there's much more fun up ahead.
Yeah, go show Mommy the biggest wall we have.
Follow me. One of the other hideouts where you can hide.
something you missed.
Oh, sorry. Here's your bonus feature.
Come stand by me and see what's over there. When did that happen? Clark, come here. Come here, over there.
What did we miss?
Where is it?
Look at those words up there on top.
La Rica.